In a world where smartphones are no longer a luxury but a necessity, the Samsung Galaxy A03s stands out as a budget-friendly champion. This marvel offers more than what meets the eye. Priced at $99.99, it boasts a large 6.5-inch screen, a MediaTek Helio P35 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and a 13-megapixel rear camera. All these features are fueled by a robust 5,000 mAh battery. So let's dive into what makes the Samsung Galaxy A03s a contender in the budget smartphone market. Starting with its design, the Samsung Galaxy A03s sports a sleek modern look that doesn't scream budget. The phone's aesthetics are surprisingly high-end, with a glossy finish that's pleasing to the eye and comfortable to hold. The rounded edges and slim profile add to its appeal, making it a device that you'd be proud to pull out of your pocket. Now let's talk about the screen. At 6.5 inches, it's generously proportioned for a budget smartphone. This size allows for an enjoyable, immersive viewing experience, whether you're catching up on your favorite series or gaming on the go. The quality of the display deserves a mention too. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is sharp, and the details are crisp. So, despite its price, the A03s doesn't compromise on display and design, making it a great pick for those on a budget. But a good-looking phone is nothing without performance to match, and the Galaxy A03s delivers in this department too. Let's dive into what's under the hood of this gadget. Powering the Samsung Galaxy A03s is the MediaTek Helio P35 processor. This chip, coupled with 4 GB of RAM, makes for a smooth, lag-free experience whether you're scrolling through social media, streaming your favorite shows, or multitasking between apps. But what about storage? Well, the Galaxy A03s comes with 32 GB of onboard storage. That's enough for your essential apps, a decent music collection, and a good number of photos and videos. But if you're a heavy user, don't worry. The storage can be expanded with a micro SD card, giving you the flexibility to store more of what matters to you. So, the Samsung Galaxy A03s offers smooth performance and ample storage space, making it a practical choice for everyday use. But what about those all-important selfies and group shots? The A03s has you covered. Let's dive right into it, shall we? The Samsung Galaxy A03s is equipped with a 13-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera. They might not sound like much, but for the price point, they do a fantastic job. High-resolution, clear, and vibrant photos are now just a click away, making your memories even more memorable. But that's not all. Imagine capturing all these moments without having to worry about your phone dying on you. The A03s comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, a feature that's sure to impress. This beast of a battery ensures that you can click, browse, call, or text for hours on end without scrambling for a charger. To summarize, the Samsung Galaxy A03s offers a solid camera and impressive battery life, all at an affordable price. So, are you ready to make this power-packed, value-for-money smartphone your next purchase? So, what's the bottom line? Let's circle back to the Samsung Galaxy A03s. This phone, with its 6.5-inch screen, MediaTek Helio P35 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage, is an affordable powerhouse. The 13-megapixel rear camera and 5,000 mAh battery further elevate its value. For just under $80, it's hard to find a better deal. In the Samsung Galaxy A03s, budget doesn't mean compromise, it means getting more than what you paid for.